In this video, I'll be giving you my Shein affiliate program review. If you find this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. Shein has become one of the most popular fast fashion e-commerce platforms worldwide, and its affiliate program gives content creators, bloggers, and influencers the opportunity to earn money by promoting Shein products. Today, I'll explain how it works, the key features, and how you can maximize your earnings. The Shein affiliate program allows affiliates to earn commissions by referring customers to the Shein website. It's free to join, and once you're approved, you get access to affiliate links, banners, and promotional tools that you can use across your website, blog, social media platforms, or YouTube channel. Whenever someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. One of the main advantages of the Shein program is its wide range of trendy and affordable products. From women's and men's clothing to accessories, shoes, and home goods, there's something for nearly every audience. This variety makes it easy to promote products that match your niche or target audience, whether you focus on fashion, lifestyle, or home decor. The program offers competitive commission rates, generally ranging between 5% and 20% depending on the product category and promotions running at the time. Shein also provides seasonal campaigns, bonus incentives, and limited time offers, which can significantly boost your earnings if you plan your marketing strategically. Shein provides a user-friendly affiliate dashboard where you can track clicks, conversions, sales, and commissions in real time. The dashboard makes it simple to monitor which products and campaigns are performing best, helping you optimize your strategy for maximum results. You can also create custom affiliate links for specific products, categories, or collections to better target your audience. To be successful with the Shein affiliate program, focus on creating engaging and authentic content. Try sharing product reviews, outfit ideas, haul videos, or styling guides. Audiences are more likely to purchase through your affiliate links if they feel informed and inspired by your recommendations. Now for the pros. Shein is a globally recognized brand with a huge variety of products, offers competitive commissions, and provides a reliable tracking system. The program is beginner-friendly and accessible to anyone with an online presence. The cons: shipping times and customer service can vary depending on the region, and returns can sometimes be complicated. Earnings may take time to grow unless you have a large or engaged audience. Overall, the Shein affiliate program is a legitimate and potentially profitable way to earn money online. With consistent effort, creative content, and smart marketing, affiliates can build a reliable income stream by promoting a brand millions of people already love.